I think I got it. It's right there. Just hold. Lean forward and hold. It's not that far. Okay. This thing is really mellow. Nothing compared to Anthem. Just need to do it. Okay. Dang it. Ah. I'll do it. I know, I know. Okay, now I'm doing it. Okay.
Not that bad, right?
Yeah, tire shorts. But yeah, I think I just need a little more speed, just a hair more.
Yeah.
Right? Didn't it look like I was a little short? No?
Not by much. I mean, it looks better than half the people who do it anyways. A little bit faster would hurt though.
Yeah. You didn't get it at all?
No, I got you halfway down. That's not anything.
Oh, you couldn't hear me yell when I...
You yelled?
Yeah.
I didn't hear anything.
Oh, okay. Yikes. Max out the fork. Didn't max out the shock. I just added air to the fork. Okay. Nice. That was really good. Nice. Survived. Yay, it's over. Did you get a good one?
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is far away.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like crash test dummy.
Front to bike drop head.
Hey, we can't do one closer. Can we do it one more time? Okay, this is what I want you to do. That was a long one. Whew.